Shah Kawang Petrol bom Kawei ka Iing Jhalupara, USP ka East Khasi Hills, uba Sylvester nong tenger, ulaya tu baha kapor hanyo shiteng ne prabaji menta ka step, jang ka arpusan tarik unaitung arhajar arpusau, kaladon ka jingja Shah Kawang Petrol bom, hatanum jong ka Iing ka kong Julie Lingdo, kabadan Jhalupara, ha ki Riew Runar ki bam laban itu durkmat, bat ha ka te ka jingja, klemdan ba minsau.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I was informed lately about this incidents, but in charge of Jhalupara informed that this morning at about 7:30 to 8, he came to know that somebody miscreant pelted stones, and after that they throw one petrol bomb in Jhalupara area, that is in the roof of resident of Srimati Julie Lindau. Of course, in that she's not staying, but the tenants were staying there, and some non-tribals were staying. During inquiry by the in charge there, luckily no damage. Yes, that petrol bomb is a blast, but then no damage whatsoever. And in this connection, inquiry is still going on, and we'll do everything. We'll leave left stone no unturned. We'll do everything. We'll check it out from all available sources, this and that. But as of date, as I say, no one injured, and a case will be accordingly will be registered in the Lumdingri police stations. No eyewitness were there, but I'm sure more than one. The sources says miscreants, that means more than one, but no eyewitnesses. The miscreant came from jungle. That's what our police, who has on hearing the sound, rushed immediately to the spots. They said the miscreant came from the behind side. That we'll look into it. That is our team is looking for that to get a clue, whatever available. So we'll update you later once we got the update on this issue. That I can't say because it's too early. So the matter is still under investigation. So we'll let you know later if anything such linked to that issue.